name is Kennel, and this is my sign name. Welcome to MCCID video log. Before we continue, may we invite you to subscribe to our MCCID YouTube channel. Here, press the like button and share. That's it. Now, I would like to show fresh delivery from Shopee. See? Here it is. Tecno Spark 5 Pro. Great! It's not yet open because the seal is still here. See? It's an original sealed box. Got that? Everything's clear. Tecno Mobile? What is it? We have never heard about it. Sure, popular brands in the Philippines include Samsung, iPhone, Oppo, or Vivo. But Tecno? Never heard. Well, Tecno Mobile is a business started in China. Same with Oppo or Vivo. All of them are China-made. Tecno was established in 2006. Tecno Mobile is very new in the Philippines, but it's already a recognized popular brand in Africa, India, and Pakistan. It's their first time to sell a cell phone in the Philippines. And this is their first model to be introduced first in the Philippines. Now, I will tell you how much this cell phone later. You will be surprised how much this is. This video blog is divided into two parts. Part 1, now, we'll try to open or unbox the product for the first time. For our part 2 video, we will test the camera, games, and other things. See? Got that? Ready! For specs, we have 6.6-inch screen display. We also have 16 MP quad camera, 4 and 5000 mAh battery, which means a high battery capacity. See? Look at what 5000 mAh battery can do. 430 hours if on and not in use. 16 hours of continued call. 7 hours of continued camera use. 17 hours of continued music. 18 hours of continued browsing the internet like Facebook and everything. And 14 hours of continued video and YouTube watch. We have octa-core processor, which means there are 8 processors in operation. Look, 64 gigabytes of ROM, which means it can save up to 9,400 pictures. Wow! 4 gigabytes of RAM means it can install many apps and programs with smoother movements in games. Lastly, it uses Android 10 operating system, which is the latest system in the market. Now, we are excited and ready to see what's inside the box. Now, let's open. Wow, we are excited to see what's inside. This is the cell phone. But first, let us check what is inside the box. We have the manual. It depends on you if you like to read it or not. We have this. Let me explain first what this is. Warranty means for 12 months, if something happened to your cell phone, like it broke or suddenly not working, then it can be repaired for free within a limit of 12 months. But plus one, look, see, it means you can add one more month for a total of 13 months. Got that? Next, we have the original jelly case. See, it even has holes for slots. Then we have the USB cable for charging the phone and copying. Look. Next we have the earphone. Since I am deaf and I cannot hear, so I cannot use it. Too bad, sorry. Okay. Next we have the SIM ejector tool. Its purpose is so that we can open the SIM and memory card storage. Lastly, we have the phone charger. Okay, that's it. Nothing more inside. Ready? Let's open the cell phone. Wow, what a beauty. Wow, beautiful. Ready? I'd like to show to you the front camera. It has a front or selfie camera display located on the left side of the screen. It's a new style of camera position. It's on the left side of the screen. Let's say if we compare it with my old Realme C2 phone. I'll show you. See, the front camera is placed at the top middle of the screen. Compare it with the Spark 5 Pro. This is the old style, while this is the new one. About the size of the phone, let's compare the two. The Spark Pro is bigger than my old phone, see? The one at the back is Tecno Mobile, the one at the front is my Realme C2. Next, let's show you the back of the phone. See the shiny and wavy color? The color of this model is seabed blue. As you can see, it has 4 cameras at the back. It also has 4 LED flash. See? We also have the fingerprint scanner here so that you can put your security password using your fingers. Okay? Now let's see the sides. The power on button colored orange, and we also have the sound volume controls. At the bottom we have the speaker and microphone for music and other sounds. Next, we have the USB slot. See? Lastly, we have the earphone slot for music and other sounds. Let's see. On the other side, we have the SIM and memory tray. Let's try opening it. See, you can place your memory card here, and you can place the dual SIM here, like Globe or Smart SIM. Lastly, for the top side, there is nothing here. See? Okay. Now, we're ready to turn the cell phone for the first time. As you can see, the spark color appears. Look at the selfie camera position. See? After entering your details, see what it looks like. Look at the screen. Now, let's see if this is truly an Android 10 device. Now, I inform you how much this cell phone costs. Let's guess. Actually, the original price is 8,999 pesos. But their starting price is 5,499. But they made a sale discount of 500 pesos. So the actual price now is 4,999 pesos. It's very cheap. Wow. Got that? That ends our unboxing video. Next time, I'll show you sample tests of pictures that I took. Like gamings, movies, Facebook, and videos, and even web browsing. Please don't forget to like and share our video. And thank you very much. Goodbye. I love you.